Here's how to change from standard to an itemized deduction on TurboTax. This screen's a little bit hidden. It's kind of between screens. By the way, if you want to save 20% on your federal tax filing, I have an affiliate link in the description down below. Sign up or sign in and you get to save that extra cash. Now, in the federal section on the left-hand side for our taxes here, we're going to go to the deductions and credits, and we need to go to that summary. So if you've been there before or you've already been filling out your tax forms, you're going to go to this summary page. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom. In the lower right, we've got this continue button. And from here, we fill out any information or extra information we need to, continue on, and then you're going to get hit with the recommendation of which deduction. In this case, standard deduction is right, but if you wanted to switch to itemized and then go fill out some extra information, or for whatever reason, you just need to switch that, this is the screen you do it on, and there's a button down here. You can see which one you're on right here above it. And then, because it's always going to recommend whatever's best for you for what you've filled in, but that doesn't mean that's what you're on. So down here, I'm on the standard deduction, but I can change my deduction to itemized if I want to and hit continue. And now I'm on itemized. I can confirm that with those bold letters down here, and then I can go in and fill whatever information in I need. This is not tax advice. I'll leave that to the TurboTax experts. And also, if you're just filling this in by yourself, you know, TurboTax does a great job of just guiding you through the system. I've used them for over 10 years for both my business and personal taxes. And I just always feel assured that I'm doing my taxes correctly. And they've helped me find a lot of different discounts and deductions and things, especially with my business, as I've been growing that over the years. I appreciate you guys and your support. If you do, click that link, and hopefully that saves you a good 20% on your federal tax filing this year. That's how you can change from a standard deduction to an itemized deduction on TurboTax.